Introducing Total Prestige Motors, a specialist European automotive mechanical workshop, Ravenhall, Victoria. Established by the current owner in November 2013, Total Prestige Motors specialises in European vehicle servicing and repairs. Covering all makes and models, including BMW, Mercedes, VW and Audi, the business is also a licensed VIC Roads roadworthy tester. Showing a growing turnover, this excellent business comes with everything you need, including diagnostics tools, equipment and 3 hoists. An added bonus is that the current owner also owns the building, so drawing up a new lease will be easy. Total Prestige Motors welcomes plenty of loyal local customers from surrounding suburbs and businesses, plus regular walk-ins. There's no nearby competition specialising in European vehicle service and repairs, so the local market is yours. The current owner closes for 6 weeks a year, so there's huge potential to extend trading hours and further boost turnover. The business is perfectly located opposite the main door of Bunnings in a complex that also includes Officeworks, Autobarn and more. The current owner is happy to stay on for the handover, and the package could also include a 2015 Volkswagen Caddy. With a growing turnover, an unbeatable location and a well-established client base and reputation, this is a solid business opportunity not to be missed.